All right, everyone. So just wanted to show a quick video on how to change the startup image and the screen off image on the stereo and the 4Runner. Pretty simple. For starters, you just got to pick your image, create it on the computer. I used Photoshop. I did change mine to some specific dimensions. I believe it was 800 pixels by 640 pixels. I'll check, I'll put that here in the video. And then the important thing is you have to have a USB flash drive that is formatted FAT32 and pretty much blank other than 2 folders. And those folders are very specific how they are titled. Capitalization matters, they are case sensitive. Once you have those, it's a process of transferring the images to the system. Once they're on there, you can start the rig and you'll see there's my startup image. It'll go through its process. It's going to go do all the normal stuff as it would. And then if you were to run the screen off, apps, setup, screen off, there's my screen off image. So again, super simple. When you go in to change them, so if we go apps, setup, general, and we go to customize startup image, it'll have the 3 images that I've already uploaded in there. The USB drive is no longer plugged in, it's out. So those 3 images are in, and I can change it to whatever I want for the startup, or below that is the screen off image. So again, we'll change the image. Okay, it's gonna take it a second. And there it is, screen off image. So pretty simple, just wanted to show how to do that. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, but it's pretty easy, it took me a couple minutes.